Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the background from a photo using Photoshop Express. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Photo Editor. Now choose the photo you want to remove the background from. After your photo opens, look at the bottom menu, swipe until you see remove background or cutout option. Tap on it. From here you can simply tap on remove and your background will be removed, or you can select any background you want to use. If some parts are missing or extra areas are still visible, don't worry, tap on refine or manual. Use the add brush to bring back missing parts and remove brush to erase unwanted areas. Zoom in using two fingers to be more precise. Take your time. Once you are happy with how it looks, tap the check mark to apply the cutout. Now you can add a new background, keep it transparent, or place the subject on another photo if you want. Finally, tap save to store the image on your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully removed the background using Photoshop Express on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.